வெல்கம் டு பயாலஜி ஈஸி சேனல் உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் மை சேனல். பிஜிடிஆர்பிக்கு பயோடெக்னாலஜி வந்து சில இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நம்ம இப்போ எம்சிக்யூஸ் மெத்தடில் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ நீங்கள் ஸ்கிப் பண்ணால் பாருங்கள், கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். பிஜிடிஆர்பியில் வெற்றி பெற எங்களோட வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிட்டு வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பாருங்கள். பயோடெக்னாலஜி மெயின்லி யூசர்ஸ் answers D. GMO genetically modified organism தான் அதோட ஃபார்ம், அதோட ஃபுல் ஃபார்ம். ஓகேங்களா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர்ஸ் வந்து டி. செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ், the biotechnology was coined by DAS. Answers D. Carl Ericki. Third questions, traditional biotechnology is also known as DAS. The third questions, traditional biotechnology is also known as DAS. The answer is here B. Kitchen technology. That's here kitchen technology. Okay. The next questions, the study of drug or medicines used in medical treatment is known as. The fourth answer is here A. Pharmaceuticals. Fifth questions, which of the following can be biotechnological product? Answer is here D. All the above. Antibiotics, vaccines, as well as here enzymes. Multiplications of aligned DNA in organisms required dash. The sixth answer is here B. ORI. Seventh questions, tools of biotechnology is used for effluent treatments, water cycling. Water cycling is known as dash. The seventh answer is here, check it you first. Answer is here A. Processing engineering. The next questions, very important questions. The scientist who use first viral vaccines to inoculate a child from smallpox is dash. Eighth answer is here B. Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner. The enzymes used for making artificial sweeteners is dash. Answer is here C. Invertase. Very important questions. The next questions, development of artificial genes functioning within living cells was done by. The 10th answer is here A. The corona. HC corona is here correct answers. 10th A. RDNA is also known as dash. Answer is here D. Both B and C. Recombinant of vector DNA and desired genes, as well as here chimeric DNA. The 11th answer is here D. Both B and C. Plasmids are dash. The 12th answer is here D. Vector. 13. PBR 322 is most extensively studied dash. Answer is here D. Plasmids DNA of E. coli, very very important questions. The next questions, restrictions enzymes recognize specific dash, very important questions. Palindromic regions, answer A. Palindromic region ஒரே மாதிரி ஒரு சீக்வன்ஸ் இருக்கும், அந்த இடத்துல தான் இது வந்து கட் பண்ணும். இந்த ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன் ஒரு DNA கட் பண்ணுற ஒரு விதமான enzymes. 14th answer is here A, very very important. Okay, the next questions, restriction enzymes of E. coli are C, ECORI and ECOR2. 15th answer is here C. Okay, 16th questions, the best cloning organisms for biotechnology is dash. The 16th answer is here D, E. coli. Check it your answers. D, E. coli. The next questions, the ability to form the tumors is found in the plasmids of dash. The 17th answer is here C, Agrobacterium, very very important. The next questions, engineered bacterium carries dash. 18th answer is here B, rDNA. 19th questions, electrophoresis is a southern blotting techniques are used in dash. Answer is here C, the tools of genetic engineering are C, DNA ligase, restrictions, endonuclease. அதாவது ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன் கட் பண்ணுறது, டிஎன்ஏ லிகேஸ் வந்து பேஸ்ட் ஒட்டுறது, இது ரெண்டு தான் ஜெனட்டிக் இன்ஜினியரிங் முக்கியமான டூல்ஸ். பாக்டீரியா ப்ரொடெக்ட் themselves from viral attack by producing dash. Answer is here B, endonuclease. Molecular scissor is dash. D, restriction, endonuclease. Which of the following is used in transfer of foreign DNA to crop plants? 23 answer is here Agrobacterium tumefaciens. 23 answer is D. Which of the following is now being commercially produced by biotechnology processes? 24 answer is here insulin is here correct answers. 24 answer is here D. Next questions, which of the following palindromic bases sequence in DNA can be easily cut at about the middle by some particular restriction enzyme? The answer is here C. The next, biolistics gene can is suitable for dash. Answer is here D, transformations of plant cells. Very very important questions. For transformations, microparticles coated with the DNA to be the bombarded with the gene can made up of dash. Answer is here D, gold and tungstens. Rising up duff is due to டப்னா பிசிந்த மாவு, அதை என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, எப்படி பண்ணுறான்னு பாருங்க. 28 answer is here production of CO2. All the process after the fermentation process is known as a B, downstreams. The next questions, for making GMO, the three basic steps that are required are dash. All the above. 30 answers here D. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.